guys, welcome to Createch. It's been a long time since I posted some videos here and I thought it would be great to start again. Probably a lot of years passed away and during this time I have upgraded my setup and got a lot of instruments for a proper lab setup to do some research activity which you can expect me to post about soon. So let's dive into today's content. What we actually here have is a CATIA 3D experience platform, which is the upgraded version of CATIA v5 and the rest of its ancestors. So the 3D experience platform is an innovative platform that connects people, ideas, data and a solution in a single collaborative environment. And there are a lot of key features in this software actually. So it is a unified environment and a collaboration, and it is totally cloud based, and you have many comprehensive tools that includes for design, manufacturing, simulation, and all integrated into one platform. So we are going to do deep dive into this software, and we are going to do a lot of things related to engineering. We are going to design, simulate, and we are going to explore this platform completely. So what we are going to do today is we are going to design a fastener, which is completely a dynamic parametric model. So by changing its major diameter, you can just create a whole new design out of it. So we are going to deal with a lot of equations to create that fastener, and this is actually we can use it for 3D printing applications. So it will be easy to play with the parameters and change some of the diameters, and you can probably get able to achieve a whole design of a fastener, which you can 3D print it and use it for a lot of 3D printing applications. This is the 3D experience platform, and over here you have some options for importing, and this is for exporting, and probably creating a new part over here in the new content. And over here you can, the left hand side, you can see a circular icon which represents the 3D experience platform, and you can go over here and play with these tabs, and you can actually change the respective rules for the respective engineering apps to pop out. And this is the search bar where you can type the part number, and it will be stored in the cloud, and you can open it. So let's just open my basic model. So what we have here is the model of a fastener, which is completely parametric. So what we have here is a bunch of global variables which you can play with, like the major dia and the shaft length, and how much the thread pitch and the revolutions of it. Again, these are the global parameters that needs to be defined to create this complete model, and this is the features that is required to build this model. So let me just give you a glimpse of this parametric equation. So if I just turn, so let's just play with this. So I will change the major dia to 12, and let's assume we want a shank length of 10 and a pitch of 1.5. Let's, so and just update it. So you will notice a change in the design. So this model is completely parametric. So let's assume if we want a shank length of 20. Now you need to increase the revolutions of the helix curve. And voila, we get it. So how can we able to achieve this kind of parametric model? So we need to formulate each and every dimensions, and we need to give relations to the dimensions, and by creating formulas to it. So over here you can see a formula icon. So over here these are all the parameters which I have named and the relations I have given to achieve this parametric design. So I'll just run from first and design it from the scratch to let you know how to achieve this kind of parametric model. So let's get started.